Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I haven't honestly thought about a title, yeah, but I'm pretty sure it could be misleading, so let me explain about it a little. So this video is gonna be the alternatives you can try out instead of a straight leg or a straight leg or a skinny jean. Does that make sense? In other words, I'm going to give you several pieces that you can try out instead of wearing a straight leg or a skinny jean. So let me tell you something. I love skinny jeans, I love straight leg jeans, but I'm not sure if they are compatible with the tropical weather or warm climates. So that's the reason that I'm doing this video, so you guys can try out these other pieces. So I'm not giving any outfits for this video, but I'm gonna give you ways to style them, and for the sake of this video I'm gonna wear just one black t-shirt for all the pieces. Does that make sense? Yeah. So, and also I'm gonna give you a compatible factor, something out of 10, a compatible rating for each of these pieces for the compatibility to wear in tropical climates. So let's get into that. So the first piece is a linen pant. This is a straight leg pant. So if you don't want to get out of the comfort zone of wearing jeans, I think this is the best alternative you can have. Actually, with a linen pant you can layer up on top, which is great. So the compatibility factor is 10 out of 10. Yeah, because you can layer up and it fits for warmer climates and you won't get uneasy. Okay, so the second one is a maxi skirt. So I know this t-shirt does not match up with the skirt, I know. For this skirt I would suggest a white tank top, but for the sake of this video I am wearing the black t-shirt. I'm gonna tuck it in. So with the maxi skirt you can try out sandals or some boots maybe to give out a look. Depends on the outfit and your theme. So the compatibility factor is 9 out of 10 because it depends on the structure of this maxi skirt, so you won't get as much as a range to style just as a linen pant. So 9 out of 10. So the next one is a wide leg pant. Of course you guessed this. So you can try out so many different looks with a wide leg pant apparently. You can also wear wide legs for work wear and also as casual wear, which is real nice. So the compatibility factor is 10 out of 10 for tropical climates, which is real nice because the air will sneak into the pants, and that is one of the best feelings when you are living in a tropical country. And also I prefer tucking in a t-shirt or I usually tuck in if the top is kind of loose, but if it is a cropped or a tight one, I just wear the way it is. The shoes also depends on the look you're going. I personally prefer coverings, heels with wide legs, because just to for the look and the shade out. So the compatibility factor is 10 out of 10. Did I say that? Yeah, I did. So the next one is something you never thought of. This is a sweatpant. So I know sweatpants does not exactly match with tropical countries, but you can style it to suit the tropical weather, with for the sake of this video I'm pairing it with the black t-shirt, but You can wear a black any tank top and wear some sneakers maybe. Yeah, the best alternative if we are pairing with if you are wearing a sweatpant, the best type of shoe is a sneaker. Yeah, a sneaker, because you can't wear boots because it won't match up with the weather and the background of wherever you are going. And yeah, so the compatibility factor is 5 because it's difficult to style. But it doesn't say that you can't wear sweatpants in tropical weather. In fact, I'm going to do a separate video on how to style sweatpants for tropical climates in the near future. So wait for it. So my last piece is a short skirt. Actually, I'm gonna give a 10 out of 10 for this skirt because it is flat. You can also pair it with flats as well as boots. Just to give out a more spring look, you can pair it with boots, so that's nice. So actually you can also layer up on top with like a cute jacket or a bomber jacket, but make sure it's not that much thick. So the compatibility factor is 10 out of 10. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you don't need to stick to the straight pairs or skinny pairs of jeans. You can try out all these looks if you have these pieces. If you want to, my advice is style the outfit with a skinny or a straight leg pant and then just strip it to one of these pieces and you can see for yourself if it's gonna match or not. That's my advice. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also tap that bell icon too if you want to get notifications every time I upload. I upload every Sunday and occasionally on Tuesdays as well. Follow me on social, Instagram and Twitter, because I'm uploading stuff on there as well. Thanks for watching.